In a sweeping operation, more than 50 income tax officials simultaneously raided the residence and businesses of Hubli entrepreneur Ganesh Seth. The targeted locations included Seth's Nagar residence, KGP Jewelry and textile shop, along with the Royal Ridge Hotel in Navanagar and Tara Palace in Hospet. The investigation revolves around allegations of Seth holding assets that surpass his reported income. The 10-hour search at Seth's Ashoka Nagar residence underscores the intensity of the probe, while Shrigandha Seth, his son, faces interrogation at KGP Jewelers. The raids span multiple facets of Seth's business empire, emphasizing the scale of the inquiry into potential financial irregularities. The synchronized actions aim to uncover evidence of discrepancies and verify the accuracy of financial declarations across diverse ventures.